Hello everyone. So today's shave I'm gonna try a soap that I have been waiting for a while to try. But before that I'm gonna do something I forgot completely to do in the last shaves, which is take a few of the soaps off my list. So we're gonna go, which I've done. So alien shaves, I'm gonna take it out and then we'll have space to do another one. What's the other ones? Taylor of Old Bond Street. There we go. Just delete. I'll do this better after off camera. And which one else? Oh, Pinnacle. Pinnacle Grooming. Yeah. Really nice. There we go. I completely forgot. And I'm gonna take the one from today already, which is by Denton Majik, maybe. I'll put a bit of water because it's not coming out properly. There we go. That's better. There we go. Now, I'll do that better off camera afterwards. But that's what we're gonna use. Denton and Majik, the Kusafiri. I don't know what to expect from it. I heard good things about the base, so I'm gonna see how it is. And they have another one that I have been eyeing because I saw it on Instagram. That is an homage to one of my favorite ADTs, Chorus by Yves Saint Laurent. I think it's KRS, they call it. So that's another one I have to purchase. There we go, bit of water first. So get ready. So let's see, I'll use some pre-shave as well. Some Mastro Miche there, small bit. Because I have about 4 to 5 days, I think. So just to protect a bit more. There we go. That should be more than enough. Bit of water. There we go. Now, let's open it up and see what we're working with. So, the other reason I got this, I forgot to say, is because of the label, the lion. I'm a Leo, and a Leo by team as well, a lion by team. My team is Sporting Lisbon. Very musky. I like the way they put a chip there. Nice. I normally like to face leather. It's actually pretty heavy. And it has their details there. Oops, sorry, I'll use the other side there. Denton Majik. Nice one. I'm just gonna wash this. Actually, you know what? Since they put the chip, I'll do bowl leathering today. Just to use the chip there. Give me a second. There we go. We'll use a bowl here. We'll take a small bit. It's actually pretty hard. I thought it would be, maybe that's why they give the chip. I'm gonna take a bit there. Looks like a casino chip, guys. I'd say this should be enough. We'll put it on my ceramic bowl. It's very slippery already, the chip. So I'm gonna just put it there on the bottom. There we go. Just wash my hands because they're really, really slippery already from the soap. Oh, there we go. And we'll use my Badger, my Frank shaving. Actually, a bit more water there. There we go. I had it there soaking. So here we go. It's gonna catch there. And we'll bull leather today. Just because of the chip there, might be easier to see from this side. There's already coming up. Nice. Yeah, it's still the same scent. I don't know what this reminds me of. The reason I chose the boar badger as well is because of the hair of the lions. What I call? I'm losing the English there. The mane, is it? The mane, I think. And it's the same color, so that's why I'm using badger today. Wow, plenty of leather there already. Look at this. If you guys can see. Wow, oh, coming off. No, good enough. I might put a bit more water there. Just a small little bit. There we go. I took from the cup there, which was warm still. Jesus, loads of leather there. And put this back on there. I'm actually gonna take the chip off it because it's kind of dirty there. I'll wash it and then I'll put it back in. Then we'll cover since it doesn't have water. I'll leave it standing there so you guys can see the lion there. There we go. Oh, we'll use the Echo today by RazoRock. I have an Astra Blade already, half an Astra Blade there already loaded. So let's go. Loads of leather. I don't know what this scent reminds me of, but it reminds me of something. But it's not a very intensive scent, I have to say. It's a bit subdued. I do feel musk there. I don't know why musk is always a scent that I normally tend to identify straight away. Don't ask me why. It just is. But I can't identify much more there, to tell you the truth, guys. I'm trying to remember what it is. It's a manly scent, but very, very subdued. Very soft. Loads of leather there, Jesus. Wow. I'd say I have enough for loads of passes. Still loads on the bowl there. Gee. So let's go. I'm gonna go Echo by RazoRock with an Astra Blade. Let's see. I forgot how loud this one was. This is actually, it's not, I didn't recall, I used it once before already, no actually twice, but I didn't recall how loud it is. Very efficient, very, very, very efficient, as you guys can see. Very easy to shave. As for the soap, plenty of sleekness there. I just want to see the second pass. Did I nick myself already? Gee, I didn't feel anything. But my friend was saying the other day, if you bleed a bit, you're not shaving. I heard that somewhere else as well. I think there's a YouTuber that's on the wet shave community that says that as well. Which I don't know who it is. Because I told him I heard that before already. He was laughing. By the way, I forgot to say the name of the team. The team is Sporting Clube Portugal. For those that don't know. And it's not just a football team. We have plenty of other sports on the club. Yeah, make myself another one there. I'm still trying to identify the scent here and I can't, but it's very, very soft. And a mild scent, not very intense, let's put it that way. This is another one that I forgot to say. I couldn't get the aftershave. It's another one that comes from the States. So due to the alcohol rules, I couldn't get the aftershave. Which now makes me even more curious to try it. Because the scent is so subdued, yeah, that I definitely want to try the aftershave. Normally the aftershaves tend to be a bit more intense. So let's get ready for the second pass. There we go. Ready for the second pass. Back to the bowl. Back to the brush. Loads of lather still there. Loads. So let's go. Yeah, very, very soft scent. But it's a manly scent. It's I don't know, kind of earthy scent as well. I don't know how to explain what I'm feeling at the moment, but it's not a very intense scent. Don't feel like there's any kind of flowery scent there at all. I do feel the musk. I was gonna say leather, but I'm not sure about that one. Now, someone was telling me to go, and every time I use a soap to get the scent notes first, I'm gonna explain myself again. When I'm trying it for the first time, I don't like to do research at all. I like to be surprised. And the amount of leather you can get on this one, Jesus. I think for a change I put too much again. Look just how much I have there. It's crazy. There, I could do 4-6 passes easily. Where did I put? There we go. Now, let's go across. Plenty of sleekness, plenty of still. I have to be a bit more careful with this echo. Because if you're not careful with this one, you can really nick yourself. And it's not like it's a very aggressive, it's not a very aggressive razor. But you feel where the blade is. And depending on the angle, it can get a bit more aggressive or less aggressive. Which actually is one of the things I like about it. Yeah, plenty of protection there, plenty of sleekness still. Easily buffing. Very easy to buff there. I do feel that if I go really slowly with this echo and put the angle a bit more on the aggressive side and stretch the skin, I probably could do a one-pass shave proper with this one. But I don't want to try it. Especially when we're doing videos. Takes a bit more time. I might, maybe one day I'll do it. If I find that it's, I've done it with fat tip ones. Yeah. So if I do like this, it will be more mild. But if I put like this, I feel the blade way more and becomes a bit more aggressive. It's very easy to find the angle you want as well. It's not complicated at all. I barely can stretch my skin. That's how much slickness is there from the soap. Nice. Nice. This time I didn't even miss any place there. Nice. Perfect. So let's go up there. See, still loads of sleekness there. Still can, that didn't dry fast at all. Really nice, I have to say. Wow. Still loads of sleekness there. Nice. Now, I'm still here thinking about which scents are there. No, I can't identify any more there at all. It's a very subdued, let's just check. Very subdued scent. Missed a spot there. But look how much sleekness I still have there. I can buff easy. Nice. Mold there. That's it. Let's say we're done. Gonna get ready for the alum now. This is gonna be a waste of soap because I have so much there, like it's crazy. Let's go. There we go. Let's just pet the face. Actually, before we do the alum, I'm just gonna show you just how much leather I still have there. That's from the brush. And I still have all this in the bowl. Which, even this, I would say I'll be able to do something. I could have done, wow, look how much I have there. How much I wasted it. There you go, lovely, lovely base. Really, really shiny. Nice. There we go, just wash the hands now. Really nice base, I have to say. The scent is very subdued. That's why I'm not able to identify anymore. It's kind of on the earthy kind of scent. I feel the musk there, so I don't know. And I'm gonna have to substitute this alum. It's kind of breaking already, so this is probably the last time you guys would see this one. I'll leave this one just for when it's on top there and I can just wet my fingers to stretch the skin. Now I have to get a different alum now. There's some feedback there. Yeah, neck area as always. Loads of feedback there. Loads. Ooh, wow. Loads. Yeah. Pretty close shave. There on the neck. Wow. Loads of feedback. So I'm gonna have to leave it. I have to pass there a few more times. Let it dry. Yeah. There we go. It's kind of going away now. Nice. Yeah, still a bit of feedback there on the neck area. There we go. I'd say now we're ready. So, let's go. Let's let this dry. I'll just clean up my stuff and I see you for the post-shave. See you in a bit. We're back. So I wash all my stuff. The alum is kind of dried up there already. So let's take it off. There we go. Now let's pat the face. Now, because I wasn't able to get the aftershave, the same aftershave, I'm gonna put just some balm. This is a cheap balm from Lidl, from supermarket chain, German chain that we have here in Ireland. So I'll just put a bit of balm just first, and I'll use the Tabac as a splash afterwards. It has nothing to do, the scent has nothing to do with the soap, but I don't have anything on me at the moment that I could say that would work similar to the scent I felt on this soap. Well, I have to say, very subdued scent. I think it's musky, very earthy there. I don't know if it has leather, but very subdued. It's not intensive at all. So there we go. We'll use a bit of Tabac as a splash. Just a small bit there, just to get a bit more scent there. Yeah, it has nothing to do with soap, but I do love the Tabac, so that's what we're gonna use. Put a bit more. Yep, kind of the feedback went away already, so nice. Put it back. So that was it. That was our shave for today. Actually, I forgot to put the brush there. There we go. So let's recap the shave today. We tried for the first time Denton Majik Kusafiri. Now the scent is very subdued. The leather you get from it is, I had so much leather that I wasted, and as you can see I barely made a dent on it. It's a hardish kind of soap. You can still scoop it easily enough, but it's kind of on the hard side. The scent is very subdued. I'm definitely gonna have to find a way to get the aftershave. I would say I would have been easier to identify with the aftershave than with the soap. The soap, the scent is very subdued. It's not an intensive scent at all. So, but I did really enjoy the leather. Really nice. Denton Majik Kusafiri. So, there we go. And I did like the touch of the chip inside. Nice touch, I have to say. Not that I'm going to use it often. Now, we used the RazoRock ECO with an Astra Blade, which I have. It's actually not a full, it's a half Astra Blade. That's what it takes. Have it there drying. So you can get really close shaves with this one. One of the things I like is, depending on how you angle it, can be a bit more aggressive or less aggressive. That's what I find with this razor. But I have to take a bit more time with her, just to be on the careful side. But it's not very aggressive. Actually, very easy to control and to know what you're doing. We used Frank shaving brown badger knot, 24mm knot by Frank Shaving. They call it polar shaving as well, but this is I bought it in Frank Shaving site, and you can get 10% discount on it if you want to purchase anything from them with my code DY10. Then to finish it off, we use a balm, cheap balm from Lidl, the Cien, and we use Tabac, just because I like the scent and I didn't have anything similar to the soap. So that's why we went with the Tabac. That was our shave for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope to see you in the next one. I would say the next shave will be by Monday, and it's gonna be a hardware, not a software, first try. Just to give you a clue. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put a like on it. Really, really helps the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Ciao.